What's up with the what's ups? Today on this episode of Mayhem Motorcycles, I just got some hot forged decorative steel that I'm gonna have on the Spirit of Vengeance chopper build. It's not much, but I figured I'd just make a quick video of how I'm gonna get some of these attached. A few I'm gonna weld on, some I'm gonna go ahead and drill, tap and die and get those attached bolt on so that way I can get them chromed and have them look shiny against the paint or powder coat, whichever I decide.